Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the 20th question in exercise 5.3. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato and runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Now, the data is presented in a very graphical manner with a figure. So, let us try to fine tune it in terms of AP. Once that translation is done, it is a simple method of applying an appropriate formula. So, they said that the first potato is 5 meters apart. So if a girl has to start to pick it, essentially the girl travels 5 meters, picks the potato, comes back to the bucket to drop it. So again she travels another 5 meters to drop the potato in the bucket. So essentially the total distance the girl traveled in the first case was 5 into 2, 10. So let's note down that data first. So the girl traveled 5 into 2 distance, that is 10 meter. Now let's look at the second potato. Gap between the potatoes, the first potato and the next is 3 meters. So essentially a total distance is 8 meters from the bucket. 5 meters from the first point and 3 meters from there. So totally 8 meters from the bucket, and she has to travel to and fro to drop it. So in the next case, 8 meters is traveled twice by her to drop the potato in the bucket. So 8 into 2 is 16 meters. Now in the third case, she has to travel another 3 meters more. So the total distance is 5 plus 3 plus 3, that is one way. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. And remember, she has to go to and fro to pick and to drop. So this is going to be 11 into 2, 22 meters. And so on. So now that we have got a pattern, we are writing it in the terms of series. So 10 meters, 16 meters, 22 meters, and so on. So now let's see what are the data we know. She has to do this for 10 times, right? So that is given to us. So we know that the distance the competitor has to run if she has to do this whole process 10 times. So let's see how we translate the data. So A is equal to 10 meters. So I'm going to write this as A is equal to 10. D is equal to 6. And N is equal to 10. Because there were totally 10 potatoes. So she has to do this process. So N is equal to 10. So what is the total distance girl has to cover? Which means Sn is how much is what is asked. So let's apply the formula. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. So let's start substituting. 10 by 2. 2A is 2 into 10, so that is 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, so this is 9 into 6. So 10 by 2 is 5, 5 into 20 plus 9, 6 are 54. So 5 into 74, the total distance the girl has to travel will be 370 meters. So the total distance covered by the girl or the competitor is 370 meters. In the next video, we will move on to the next lesson in our textbook, which is triangles. See you for the solutions in triangles in the next video. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.